What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. So today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to determine what size tyre you need for your car. Now in this case here, I've got a little lump in the tyre right down here, and it's pretty dangerous to be driving around like this. I don't want it to blow while I'm driving, so I need to have this tyre replaced as soon as possible. But to make sure you don't get taken advantage of when you show up to the tyre shop, because they can basically tell you any price and you wouldn't know any better, I'm going to show you guys the details you need to know in order to shop around. So in this particular case here, we're going to be replacing it with the exact same brand, so we need to know the brand and this type of tyre it is, or the make and model of this tyre, plus we need to know the sizing. So in this case here, it's a monster tyre. Okay, down the bottom here, we've got its terrain gripper. So if I need to find the exact same tyre, I need to punch that information first on Google or any other way that you want to search. What we need to look for are these numbers here. So 285-50R20. What this stands for, the 285 is in millimeters. That stands for the overall width of the tyre. So going from edge to edge, that is the width of the tyre in millimeters. So we've got 285 millimeter wide tyres on this car here. The next one is the 50, okay? The 50 is basically a percentage. It's a percentage of the overall height from the actual tyre. So if we need to work out the actual profile or height of this tyre here, it's 50% of the 285. So that's how you work out the width. And now we've got the height, which is 50% of the width. The last one is the 20. The 20 is basically in inches. Okay, so we've got millimeters, inches. 20 inch is the size of the rim. So in this case here, we've got a 20-inch rim, 285 millimeter wide tyres, and we've got 50% of the width of the tyre is the profile or the height of the tyre. So hopefully this helps you guys out and you won't get taken advantage of when you go to your tyre shop. You can do your own research online, make sure you're getting the right price for your tyre and it's also the right tyre. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.